Hello, everyone. Step 1. Import libraries. The code starts by importing necessary libraries. Datetime, to work with date and time. Delta.tables, for working with delta lake tables. PySpark @SQL.functions, for various Spark SQL functions to manipulate data. Path, to extract file names from paths. Step 2. Using glob to list files. The glob library is used to match file paths with wildcard patterns. We're using it to list all CSV files in the dbfs dataleak data emplys directory and printing their paths. Step 3. List files in dbfs with butils. Databricks file system is used to list all files in the file store tables data directory. This code loops through and prints the file paths in that directory. Step 4. Extract file name from path. Using path.split, the code extracts the file name from the full path. Then, it removes the CSV extension from the file name using restrip. Step 5. Reading and writing data. Now, the code reads CSV files using the Spark.read API. The options set here. Infer schema. Tell Spark not to infer the schema. Header. Indicates that the first row contains column names. Sep. Defines the delimiter. The data is loaded into a DataFrame DF, then written to a new location after converting all columns to string type. Step 6. Move files to target location. After writing the file, the code identifies part files and moves them to the target location. It uses dbutils.fs, .mv to move the files. Step 7. Clean up temporary files. Once the part files are moved to the target location, the temporary files and directories are removed using butils.fs.rm. Step 8. Reading data for display. The code then reads a CSV file from the target path again, with the same options for reading the file, and the result is displayed using display. Step 9. Using pandas to read files. The code reads additional files using pandas. It uses pd-read CSV with specific options like skipping footer rows and handling missing values, then concatenates all the data. The pandas to Spark function is assumed to convert the combined data frame back into a Spark data frame for further processing. Step 10. Reading Excel files with pandas. Finally, it shows how to read Excel files with pd-read Excel by specifying options like the sheet name, header row, and footer rows to skip.